Today we are going to discuss something new. I'm going to use the same chalk I have used in your second lecture. Ting ding 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 till plus. What is a horizontal line? Can you see the arrow here? This is not a line. If you take a number line, where is the starting of the number? This is called 0 is called you have to behave like a kid. 0 is a wonderful creation by Aryabhatta. Push, push, push. When 0 comes to your mind, I don't think so. What do you mean by infinity? I will tell you something, some secrets about infinity that no one will ever tell you. Please assume this as ant. He has ears. Then it will start boom, blasting. You get respect because of your education. Solving a problem, not your problem. It's about other problems. It may look very easy, but if you don't practice. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today we are going to go with lecture 3. Lecture 3, how it goes. Already told you, as I have mentioned, regarding digits and a number. Okay, today we are going to discuss something new, like number line. Do you know number line? Let me teach you something. I already mentioned you what are the digits we use. This is a decimal system. We use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called digits. 10 is not a digit. 10 is a number. But these all are called numbers as well as digits also. Okay. Already mentioned you regarding this. Okay. And today I am going to use the same chalk I have used in your second lecture. One lecture successfully completed and still something is left. Okay. Chalo. Number line today. How I represent a number line? Let me take a number line. Have you ever seen a number line? There will be a 0 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding 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 till plus infinity. And left side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, ting 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 till minus infinity. This is how we represent a number line. But what is the meaning of this? Let me take a second to explain you. Okay. This is a horizontal line. What is a horizontal line? If you write any line like this is a horizontal line. This is a vertical line. Okay. This is a vertical line. This is a horizontal line. What we are using is an horizontal line. Okay. Fine. Whatever I am explaining here, each and every part I will try to explain you. Okay. Whatever I am using. Can you see the arrow here? One more arrow here. What is this? This is a line. Usually many people call this as a line. This is not a line. This is not a line. This is a line segment. Just a part of a line. Line always has two arrows. These are never ending. If you take a small part of this is called a segment. This is called a segment. If you take a full, this is called line. Now tell me where the line starts. You never know. Whenever you are representing, sometimes you take 2 points on it and then you start saying a small part, then you start investigating on that line, the part of that line. Okay. You never know where it starts and where it ends also, because it keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It will keep going, and the same way it will keep going. It will be never ending. Okay. So like that, if you take a number line, where is the starting of the number? Is it the minus infinity, or is it the zero, or is it the plus infinity? What is this? We never know. Please make a note of it, that we never know the starting of a number or ending of a number. Okay, please note it. We never know. Please always do noting down some points always, otherwise it will be difficult. These are the initial lectures. Okay, this is the time you have to make a notes out of it. After some lectures the work will be burdened, you will feel burdened, then you stop watching it. Okay, if you are seriously preparing, start making notes right now. Please pause the video or watch the video one time, then the second time you make a note out of it. Okay, chalo. We never know the starting or the ending of a number. Basically, where the number has born or the birth of a number. We never know. We can only form a number from its digits, but we don't know what is the starting of a number. Okay. Now, I have to explain you horizontal line, why it is called a line. Okay, and what is this minus infinity? What is this plus infinity? What is this zero? Why these are having negative sign? Why these are not having negative sign? And they don't have any sign at all. What do you mean by that? Whether I'll take this part of it first. Whether they have, let us take 2. Whenever there is no sign of negative, when we don't have negative sign, okay, when it is purely written as 2 or just 3 or some 43, that means it contains positive before that. This is a positive number. Okay, please make a note of it. And if it is a negative number, obviously they will mention negative symbol. -5, -246. They will mention the negative. These are called negative numbers. These are called positive numbers. Well, let me tell you, I have explained negative numbers here. Okay, negative numbers means from where? From -1. These are called negative numbers. From 1, they are called positive. What about 0? 0 is a negative or a positive or a negative. Which is that? Before explaining 0, I will talk about positive, negative, then we will come back to 0. Is that clear with you? Okay. These positive numbers are on the right side of 0. Remember that. Please make a note of it. Right side. And these negative numbers are left side of 0. Is this clear? Okay. Now, positive, negative, you know. What is a negative number? from minus 1 till minus infinity. What is a positive number? What is a positive number? From 1 to infinity. Done till here. Okay. We will take 0. It is not positive. This is not positive. Or it is not negative as well. It is not positive, it is not negative. So what is this? This is called, 0 is called non-positive. And non-negative number. Please remember this. This is the wording will be used. Non-positive, non-negative. Many a times they use this word non-positive and non-negative. I will explain what are these non-positive numbers. Why 0 belongs to non-positive and non-negative. Not only 0, there are some non-positive numbers. Non-positive numbers means which are not positive. What are positive? I already told you, from 1 till plus infinity these are positive. If these are positive in a number line, what are not positive? From here, from 0 to this all side is not positive. That means 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 till minus infinity are non-positive numbers. Okay. Oh, then non-negative. What about non-negative? Huh? Okay. This is non-positive numbers, non-negative. First we will go to negative numbers. What are the negative numbers? Minus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This whole class is negative numbers. Which are not negative? These are negative means the remaining are not negative. Means 0 till plus infinity are you got it? Some people, whenever you are representing infinity, some people will write like this, or I'll write like this, as you wish, or some people will write like this. Whatever you wish to, but please make sure that, if it is a written exam, make sure that the one who is correcting it, he will recognize it as a infinity. I use this method to write the infinity, okay? Because I will treat you people, all the students who are preparing for exam, you have to behave like a kid. Otherwise, you'll never be able to erase your old methods. You'll get stick on to them, okay? Please erase all your methods if you want to learn the new methods from the basics, okay? Otherwise, it will be very difficult, friend. Please believe me, trust me, okay? These are everything I'll consider till you learn the basics. Okay. Now, why 0 is called non-positive and non-negative? 0 is a non-positive. Here also it is there. When it is there in two places, then we use and. I told you, my friends, I will explain each and every point on this board. Okay. And now I am explaining why I used and here. You have to be very careful while you are using the terminology while representing a number, okay? Otherwise the meaning whole changes. 0 is a non-positive number, 0 is a non-negative number. Now you know what is a non-positive and non-negative. There is no other number which is there in non-positive and non-negative as well. Here minus 1 is there, plus 1 is there. Nothing common, only 0 will be the common. That's why you used and means this property and this property, both properties. Sometimes if you use or, means if it passes this one, it's okay, or this one are okay, both still it's okay. But when you use and, it should be both properties should be satisfied. Now both properties are satisfied. That's why 0 is called non-positive and non-negative as well. Okay, now we will talk something more about zero. Zero is a wonderful creation by Aryabhatta. He is our Indian mathematician. He created this number called zero. When zero comes to your mind, when you get 0 marks, you feel very bad, right? Zero means, what do you mean by zero? You feel zero doesn't have any value, right? Many people think zero is waste, zero, zero. No, 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 my friends. Zero is very important thing, because I'll tell you example. Can I take an example? I'll take an example and explain you how zero works. Okay. Now there is number 100 is there. Okay. What do you think? If the zeros are put on the right side, that means 1, right side 2 zeros, if I put, it will become how much? 100, right? Okay. Well, point taken. If I put these both zeros on the left side of 1, how much it will become? 1. Please ask your brain what it is thinking of 0. 0 value decreases if you put it on the left side. 0 value increases if you put it on the right side. No, the thinking is wrong. You should not think like that. 0 doesn't lose its value because it doesn't have value. It is a property. This will give value to somebody else. It donates the value. It will, it will add value to something else. 1 has, what is the value of 1? Only 1. If you put zeros on the right side, it will give 1. It will make 1 to 100. Zero value will not increase or decrease. It will add value to other numbers. It will not decrease anybody's value until and unless there is a dot, decimal is there. Only in the case of decimal it will start decreasing the value of 1. Till then, if 1 is there, if you put how many zeros, still the value of 1 won't change. 0 is a beautiful number. Either it will increase the value of some number or it will not change. It will decrease only when this dot is used, not because of 0. It is because of this dot. The value of 1 changes to 0.1. Okay. 0 is a very lovely number. Either it will increase or it will remain change. It will never decrease the value of any number. Please note it down. This point, no one will tell you this. Okay. Be very careful when you are dealing with 0. Always you have to be very careful while you are dealing with 0. 0 is, whenever you calculate anything, I have shared already 18 methods to solve a multiplication. Okay. Whenever I am solving or simplifying any multiplication or divisions or anything, I want the number which has 0 to remain calm. I will not touch it. I will never touch the number which has 0 at the ending. I will do the remaining calculation. I already explained you 98 minus 4. I will not decrease this 4 from this. Last lecture I have told, please recollect it. I simplified this, then I added here. That is the beauty with 0. 0 is a blessing to humankind. Trust me. Because of 0, this shape you created wheel to travel easily. Even your car wheel, cycle wheel, everything is because of this shape. Okay. 0 is very important number and digit as well. Okay. Please note it down. Then we go with infinity. Infinity, infinity, infinity. You might have seen many times people mentioning and talking about infinity. What is the value of infinity? Everyone says, sir, it is 1 by 0. Is it 1 by 0? I don't think so. Why not? I'll explain you right now. Okay, let me think 1 by 0 as some number. Later you will know this number. Let us take a example of k, or I'll take an example of x. Some value, I take it as x. Okay. You know, as you already know, whenever I am mentioning formula, I told you 2 dots below 1 dot, right? A by B equal to C means A is equal to, if it is dividing this side, it will start multiplying if you take the other side. Future you will know this property. Please note it down for the some purpose. Please note that formula. Okay, with that formula it should be 1 equal to x into 0. If you multiply any value with 0, it will become 0. Oh, as per your property, infinity means 1 by 0, then 1 should be equal to 0, but 1 is never equal to 0. So, this property is failing. So simple. Then what do you mean by infinity? Sir, our teacher has told us infinity is 1 by 0. Infinity is always 1 by 0. No. You should know the meaning of infinity. What do you mean by infinity? What do you mean by infinity? I will tell you some secrets about infinity that no one will ever tell you. Please be careful while you listen this. Okay. I will take, what do you want me to take? Any ant. Okay. I'm very bad at drawing. 1. Total it has 6 legs, right? Please assume this as ant. I'm very bad at drawing. I know. Take this as an ant, some insect. Okay. How much it can carry? Usually, if it is 1 gram and it may carry 10 times of it, it may carry 10 grams. Or it may carry 50 grams. Example I am telling. It may carry 50 grams. This is the maximum capacity of a ant. What if I put 2 kg of weight on top of an ant? What will become? It will become papad. It will become a flat surface. It will be dead. It will be dead, my friend. That means 2 kg is too much for ant. This 2 kg is too much for ant. Now this 2 kg is infinity for this ant. We call this 2 kg is infinity. Infinity depends on thing to thing based on the situation. Person to person or ant to ant, sum to sum, infinity keep changing. Infinity is very subjective. Now if you take a human being, ting 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 ting, he has ears. If you keep this 2 kg on top of human being, will it trouble him or her? No, right? Why? Because when compared to their weight, almost let us take he is 80 kg. His weight is 80 kg. 2 kg is nothing for him. How much a human being can carry? Maximum he can carry 150 kgs on top of him. What if I put 1000 kg on a human being? Or if I put 5000 kg, 5 ton on top of a human being, he will die. That means it is too much for him to carry this weight. This is an infinity for him. Two kg is nothing to him, but 2 kg is too much to the ant. 2 kg is infinity here, 5000 kg is infinity to this. Here 5000 kg is infinity for ant as well. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. See, if you take an example, if you are having something, okay, you are very hungry, or this is a summer. Let us take an example of a mango. How many mangoes you can consume? Example, 10 mangoes. Maximum you can consume 10 mangoes. What if I start stuffing more than 10 mangoes? Let us take, I stuff you with 10, 100 mangoes. If I stuff with your stomach with 100 mangoes, I'll keep pushing. Push. 100 mangoes. What will happen to your stomach? Your stomach will start, first initially it will start bloating, then it will start boom, blasting. That means it is too much. When you call something is too much, then it is obviously infinity. You're getting my point? This is the concept of infinity. That means if a glass is holding certain amount of liquid, if we still start pouring, what will happen to this? Water will spill out. It can't take any more. So more than this, any water is infinity to that. That is too much to take. This is positive infinity, my friends. Please note that it's a positive infinity, right? Now we can ask, what is a negative infinity? Positive big thing. This is not negative big thing. Minus infinity means if this side it is the number is growing, keep on growing, here number start reducing, this should be the world's most minimum number, smallest number. This is called, we may call smallest number or smallest some particle. That means it might be smaller than an atom or minute some molecule which is very small, then that is called negative infinity. Which is a very big thing is called plus infinity, very small thing is called minus infinity. If you understand this thing, okay, then slowly you'll start calculating why tan 90 in trigonometry is infinity. This is plus infinity. It is never 1 by 0. Why it is plus infinity? Okay, then later in the lectures when geometry comes, then you can learn. Now all your doubts gets clarified. Okay, this is negative infinity, this is positive infinity. These are the example. Please note it down, all the example one by one. I have explained you what is a zero, how it can be used. Whenever you use this zero with positive numbers, it looks like a positive number. 0 plus 1 plus 2, or if you use 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 5, then now you consider 0 is like a positive number. You will think that, yeah, 0 is a positive number. If I take minus 3, minus 4, minus 0, minus 27, then you think 0 as negative. Whenever 0 is used with negative, it may behave like a negative number. When it is used with positive, it may behave like a positive number. But it has no sign. It is non-positive, non-negative. It is neutral and it will always give adds value to the other number. This is a positive infinity, this is a negative infinity. I hope these concepts are very clear. These are very important basics for you to proceed further. Okay. Students, you have to remember something in your life. Okay. Never chase money. Many people say that, yeah, people who doesn't know how to earn, they'll say that never chase money, never chase money. But you get respect because of your money. No, you get respect because of your education, because of your knowledge. Every family has financial problems, whether you are from poor family financially or the middle class or the higher class. Whoever you are, you always have debts in your family. It may differ in the amount. In the poor family, it might be 2000, or in the middle class, it might be 1 lakh, or in the rich family, it may be of 50 crores. There will always be debt. Okay. This is a continuous struggle in your life. But never forget that you are a very blessed kid. Every human being is a blessed thing. There are out there many people who doesn't have hands, who doesn't have eyes, who doesn't have legs. Still they are surviving. They are trying to survive. And now you have all those things and you have internet to watch. Today you are watching the video because you have internet connection, right? That means you are very blessed. Never be lazy. Don't think there is a tomorrow. If you wake up in the tomorrow, by tomorrow in the morning, then there is a tomorrow for you. Think always today is your last day and give your best in learning or putting any efforts. Okay, always be kind to other people. Always have that service motto inside you. Getting job is not about earning money. It's helping other people. If you become a police officer, it's not to show your power. People should never get scared of you. They should start loving. They should feel very safe with you. Then you are a good officer. Always you should start inculcating in the mind that solving a problem, not your problems. It's about other problems. When other people approach you with their problems, whenever you become any government official, people start approaching you with problems. Then slowly you should start solving their problems. You should not put your problems in front of them. Okay, never forget that. And every day wake up early in the morning when everyone is sleeping, because tomorrow you'll become an officer. That time they have to sleep peacefully. And from today onwards, you should start inculcating that habit. Wake up early morning, sleep early in the night. Okay. Then learn nicely, gather good knowledge to take a better decision in your life. You always need a backup knowledge. Nobody will give you ready-made knowledge. You have to acquire each and every knowledge. Your basic should be very strong. Trust me. Okay. That will help you to become a good officer. Becoming an officer is not the main motto. You have to survive as an officer. That's the main motto. Okay. That's why I'm teaching you very basics, and this may look very easy, but if you don't practice, they'll not go into your mind. Trust me, the more lectures you'll go, it will become very difficult for you. Practice now, don't become lazy. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.